Oh, hi. My name is Tito Juan, and you just called me in the green room for the International Kitchen Tightrope Walking Association's lesson. So basically, I'm here to introduce you to the sport that is my sport of my hometown of Juan it's in Mexico, in Central Mexico. This is all the way from Mexico. I traveled the world teaching people about this sport. And I'm in my green room right now preparing. As you see, I got my puppet here. I got some guitars, so I can play my guitars. And I got all my books here from Mexico as well. So basically, kitchen tightrope walking. It might not sound like it's a big deal, but it's so much more dangerous than normal tightrope walking. Because one, you don't have a rope. So you do not know when you will fall off or not, because there's no rope. I might get halfway across and find out that my rope that is not there is really not there and I will fall. And in the kitchen as well. Now, I'm going to do this, I'm a professional, but please, kids, if you're watching this at home, remember Uncle Tito, he said, don't try this unless you're professional. Because kitchen's dangerous places, they have knives, they have heat, they have fridges. Just the other day, I saw Tito, not me Tito, other Tito. He fell over and he landed on kitchen knife and he sliced straight through his arm. That's basically his career over in tightrope kitchen walking, because you need 2 arms, obviously, to do this. Okay, so basically let me introduce where I am. I am in England at the moment. I'm moving my way through households. Now, you might think what I'm dressed in is comical, but this is actually traditional kitchen tightrope walking gear. It allows flexibility, while at the same time being supportive enough to maintain my balance on the rope that isn't really there. So, okay, this is the safety zone, and I have to get from here to over there. If you could just show them where I have to get to, please, cameraman. I have to get to over there and eat a piece of popcorn. If I can do that, then I will have succeeded in kitchen tightrope walking championship. Okay, but first we need to do warm-up. Okay, so we just stretch our legs up a little bit. Do your arms, you got to do the folding across. I don't know why, I just did it in school, so just do that as well. And then, okay, now we've done that. Now the most important bit, if you can't do this bit, kids, please don't try, because if you can't pray to the Virgin Mary, He will not hear you and He will just make you fall. So, please, Virgin Mary, grant me the strength that you granted Jesus to get across the kitchen. I know it's not the same scale or anything, but you know, I'm not comparing myself to Jesus. I'm just saying if you could give me some of His strength you gave Him to His birth in the Bible days, that would be great. Okay, so we got our prayer. I think we're good with the Virgin Mary, but you know, whatever. So, okay, here's my line. So I've got to walk along this line very straight. Okay, can we have silence, please? Silence in the audience. There's no real audience, I just like to, you know, for effect. Okay, here goes. Oh, yeah. Oh. You see, you have to maintain your balance for quite a while. It's quite hard. Okay, I'm okay. It's okay. Do not panic, kids. This is why. Even trained professional like me, I nearly fell then, and I don't know what I would have done. Now I'm going to try a few tricks for you, okay? Okay, I will go on one leg. We've got the one leg there. Look at me. Okay, that was basically to try one leg so early on into the evening without any stunts or anything, but I can see the cooker now, so I just got to inch my way forward, and I'm nearly there, guys. I can taste the popcorn in my mouth, but oh God! Okay. There's literally no way to describe the rush when you get from over there to over here. I mean, thank you, Virgin Mary, for giving me the strength of Jesus to do this. And yeah, I'd also like to thank my mom, you know. He was just working in a farm back in Mexico at the moment. You know, he paid for his trip to go out to teach all you young kids about kitchen tightrope walking. So, thank you. And to Tito, I'm so sorry about your accident, mate. I mean, you could go to the Olympics, bro, but you just fell. You know, you didn't make his area safe, you know. So, thank you. This is Tito. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye.